Alberta Beach, close of the day. You hear the birds. The sun's peeking through. Just saying goodnight to everyone. Boats are all moored, tied up for another day of fun. The reason we're so calm when we listen to the songs of birds, sounds of birds, is because back in the caveman days, if there were predators around, the birds were quiet. So you knew there was a saber-toothed tiger about to eat you. Now, if those birds all started to sing, well, you knew it was safe, so you could relax. And relaxing is exactly what I'm doing. Ta-da!